There's another limes over there, so maybe there's more limes than... What is the one we're doing called? Bird? Okay, we found 2. Uh-oh. Damn it. Okay, we only found 1. So where's there more at then? Damn it. Okay, so I guess he's not taking them.
Let me see what happens when I do mine, because I have... Oh no, it's the same.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's the same thing as yours did.
Okay.
So you have to pay. So let's do $10 no bonus?
Okay, let's see. Here we go.
What is that?
I don't know, I didn't do anything.
$10 no bonus? What are we doing?
Hold on. Okay, we're gonna do $20, no?
No, that's $40.
Yeah, but then, yeah, no, $10. You're right. Let's do $10. Scan front of driver's license. What the heck?
Do you have yours?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'm out of here. See ya. Yes, I got a happening. I got the happening.
Okay. Oh my god, how the hell do you do this? Where's Kevin? Oh, they're over there. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall.
So you have to like kind of push it to take off.
I'm held like this? Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go like this?
And then start pedaling, and then push the button.
It's not going. It's... Keep doing it. It's not going.
Start pedaling.
Oh.
Push,
I'm pushing.
push down, push down.
Oh, I was pressing the brake. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was weird. Oh, I'm gonna fall. I'm not trading 15 cents a minute. Ah! Hold on. I just turned out the ball. Okay, hold on. Okay, I was just trying to. This guy's asking. Okay. Stop. So what are your thoughts?
It's okay.
Okay, let's see. What do you think about the speed?
It's good for around town. I don't know. It's good. I think it's good for getting from point A to point B.
Okay.
It works fine, but you have to go. It kind of takes a little bit of getting used to it first. Because it doesn't just go.
Hold mine.
It doesn't just go. Actually, let me try to write yours.
Over here, perfect, better. Okay, yeah, so we'll switch and see how if there's a difference on the two. Even though they look similar, this one, I don't know what this is. I don't know why that. So, okay. What do you think about riding on?
Maybe not. The battery's probably under there.
What do you think about riding on the?
It's bumpy.
Yeah, extreme bumpy. So when we ride really fast, like your vision, you can barely see what you're doing or where you're going. They're really fun, really convenient. A lot of people have been asking us, like, while we've been driving, like, what do you guys think of it? Is it worth it? So they asked us that actually right when we took off. I think it's worth it so far. So anyhow, check that out behind us. So it's beautiful out here. There's like so much to see. It's definitely convenient for out here because there's a lot of walking. So if you get tired halfway through, I would definitely rent one of these. It's so far it seems pretty cheap. We only did $10. So let's see how far that gets us. But I think it's only gonna do, I think we could actually go like an hour riding them. So, but I don't know if the battery will last that long. So we'll see how it goes. Ditched our bikes down there, right here in front of the Coast Guard because Kevin's battery died or something happened. So final review of the bikes. I think they work really great. I don't know what happened with Kevin's. So mine, when I stopped mine, I put the little kickstand down. Here's the trail. I'm assuming you follow that to something. So I put the kickstand down and then I went to the app and I clicked ride done or something like that. And then it asked me to take a picture of what location we were in to make sure that I had the kickstand down. So I did. And then it asked me to rate it, how many stars. I did 5 and I was able to leave a comment, but I didn't. But I think they were pretty great. And oh, at the end, if you go to your history, it shows you the distance, like from where, like it shows you the route you took around town, which was really cool. I took a picture of it on Kevin's phone. at that gears right there. Oh wow. What the heck? Oh wow, that goes all the way up there.